Today we are going to see about the part 2 of Forest, our lifeline. This is the part 2 session of the lesson Forest, our lifeline. Today we are going to see about the interrelationship between plants, soil and decomposers which are present in the environment. Today we are going to see about the topic the interrelationship between soil, plant and decomposers which are present in the environment. Okay. So initially plants will intake carbon dioxide and they will outgive oxygen to the environment. Okay. So they are balancing the percentage of carbon dioxide in the environment. Plants are the natural lungs. We say plants are the natural lungs. Why? Because they are protecting us since from lot of years. They will intake carbon dioxide and they will outgive oxygen. Oxygen is very important for us. For the survival of animals, oxygen is very important. That oxygen is balanced by the plants only. So carbon dioxide they will intake, plants will intake and they will outgive oxygen to the environment. By the help of sunlight, they will prepare their own food. By the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, minerals which are present in the soil, these all together they will make food. Okay, reserve food like fruits, they will prepare fruits, vegetables. So like that, they will prepare their own food. Plants will prepare their own food by the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, minerals. So whatever they are required, they will utilize from the environment and they will prepare their own food. This preparing of their own food, it is known as, that phenomenon is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which plant will prepare their own food by the help of sunlight, soil, water, minerals. So these are the basic requirement for the preparation of food. So nutrients are present in the soil. That nutrients were absorbed by the plant roots and they will prepare food. Decomposers means the waste materials such as vegetables and the cutted plants, whatever we throw, the organic substance in soil, they are broken down by the help of microorganisms which are present in the soil. See, whenever we throw the peel of this one, banana ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ cover ತೆಗೆದು ಒಕ್ಕಡದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತರಿ, after seeing 2 days or 3 days, it will be not there at that place. Why? Because the microorganisms which are present in the soil, they will decompose, they will break down that substance and they will mix with the soil. This process, the breakdowning process was done by the decomposers which are present in the soil. Decomposers means they are the microorganisms which are present in the soil. They will break down the organic substance. Organic substance means vegetable substance or plant substance. They will break down that type of substance and they will mix with the soil. And once again the soil will become fertile with the help of decomposers. And water is very important for the preparation of food, and it is also the plant roots also they will help in the increasing the groundwater level. Plant roots will increase the groundwater level. So this is the intermediate. So without decomposers, soil will not become fertile. Without oxygen, it can't survive animals. Without carbon dioxide, plants will not survive. Photosynthesis process, you know. So all these are familiar with you. So oxygen, how it is released during the process of photosynthesis, the oxygen is released to the external environment. Carbon dioxide is utilized in the process of photosynthesis. So during the preparation of food, carbon dioxide is very important, and in oxygen it will become a waste substance and it is released to the external environment. The preparation of food, that process is known as photosynthesis. Nutrients are absorbed by the help of roots. In the process of preparation of food, decomposers will decompose, will break down the organic substance like plant products or vegetables or any other substance like organic substance. They will break down and they will mix with the soil and the soil will become fertile. So water, you know that one. So plant roots will increase the groundwater level and they also absorb the water from the soil also. So this is how the interrelationship between soil, plants and decomposers there takes place. They have explained in this para that only. You can go through with your textbook also. So here they have given the diagram of deer in the forest, monkey you can see here. They have given carnivorous animals, and you know about the herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Herbivorous means plant eating animals, carnivorous means flesh eating animals, and omnivorous means they will eat both. So plant products also they will eat, and the meat or flesh also they will eat. That type of animals will come in the omnivorous. So they have given here rainwater drips from the trees and seeps into the ground. Seeps means they will absorb. They will help in the roots, will help in the absorption of water, and they will increase the groundwater level. The closed canopy and many layers of vegetation slow down the speed of raindrops. See, if there is no plants, if the heavy rain comes means that rain will take over the fertile soil from one place to the another place. By the help of plants only they will hold up the topmost layer of soil, and they will keep the soil fertile for a long time. So that's why we should not cut the trees. And the roots which are present in the soil, they will help in the absorption of water in the soil, and they will increase the groundwater level, which helps which we are getting in our day-to-day life in the borewell and other communication. So water table you can see here, below the ground level we have the water table. By putting the borewells we are getting the water from the water table. So that's why trees are very important for increasing the groundwater level. So we have to protect the trees. We should not cut the trees. Okay. So they have discussed that point only in this area. You can see here, if forests disappear, the amount of carbon dioxide air will increase, resulting in increase of earth in temperature. If forests are not there, the plants are not there, there is lot of increase in the carbon dioxide which is present in the environment. That carbon dioxide will make the earth temperature high. Okay, so that's why plants were maintaining the temperature also. They are maintaining the oxygen level also. They are maintaining the carbon level also. In the absence of trees and plants, the animals will not get food and shelter. In the absence of, if there is no trees and plants, animals will not get their food, shelter. Okay, so that's why we should not cut the trees. We should plant the trees. We should grow the trees. In the absence of trees, the soil will not hold water, which will cause floods. See, in the absence of trees, if trees are not there, then the fertile soil will go from one place to another place, and the groundwater level will decrease day by day. Okay, and the flood will come. Deforestation will endanger our life and environment. Think what we can do it, preserve our forest. We should preserve. If we cut one tree, we have to plant 2 trees. So that's the policy for maintaining the environmental causes. Factories were releasing lot of carbon dioxide, vehicles were releasing lot of carbon dioxide. So these carbon dioxide were absorbed by the plants, and they will outgive oxygen to the environment. So like this they are balancing the environment by disaster. Okay, so plants are very essential for day-to-day life. They will give shelter for animals like birds, monkeys, snakes, cheetahs. So like that. If plants are not there, the flood will come, the topmost layer of the fertile soil will go from one place to another place. So that's why we have to plant the trees like this. If there is no plant, there is a lot of floods. If the heavy rain comes, flood will come in the city. So that's why we have to plant the trees. If anyone cutting the trees means you should aware about the disaster which is caused by the deforestation. So that's why you have to plant the trees. If you have any doubts in this chapter, you can comment in the comment box. We will give the suggestion for your questions also. So what we have learned in this chapter, they have given the short way. You can go through with this point and write down the question and answers. I will send in the WhatsApp group. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, please comment. See you in the next session. Take care. Bye.